How to clean the smoke from the lungs in 3 days. Cleanse the tar from the lungs. Many former smokers look for ways to clean their lungs and improve their respiratory health in order to enjoy well-being. For this, there are some homemade preparations such as those that are going to tell you about. But before starting, I recommend subscribing to our channel because we will be constantly uploading videos about health, home remedies, and recipes that will make your life healthier. And don't forget to activate all the notifications by clicking on the bell so that you receive all our new tips. Let's begin. One of Grandma's remedies for cleaning smokers' lungs is as follows, prepared with onion, honey, ginger, and turmeric. Many use it as a syrup, but there are also those who dilute it with a glass of water and turn it into a hydrating drink with a touch of sweet. Quitting smoking is not always easy, but it certainly has multiple benefits. Those who have quit notice a noticeable improvement in their lung health and even feel as if they get sick less frequently and that the discomfort is not as intense, especially when it comes to congestion. The following preparation is often considered a medicinal elixir for smokers, as they help to relieve discomfort such as cough and sore throat. It is easy to prepare with some natural ingredients in common use such as onion and honey. The exotic touch is given by ginger and turmeric. The first provides a spicy flavor along with a certain aroma to the drink, and the second serves as a basis to maximize both points. 1. The onion. Onion is very common food in kitchens, therefore it's not surprising that it has widely been used for preparation of home remedies to improve respiratory health and to specifically clean the lungs. 2. Turmeric. According to some hypotheses, turmeric is a spice capable of helping to restore lung health due to its antioxidant content and specifically due to the compound called curcumin. 3. The ginger. Ginger is a root that has several properties, specifically anti-inflammatory, analgesic, antioxidant, antiseptic, and antibacterial. In view of all of these above, there are some that combine these 3 ingredients in the same recipe to obtain a preparation or elixir to cleanse the lungs naturally and relieve the characteristic congestion of the smoker. Ingredients: half a liter of water, 2 medium onions, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 2 tablespoons of honey heaped, and 1 ginger root. The first thing that we'll do is bring that 1/2 liter of water to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, we will add all the well-cleaned medium onions, 50 grams of ginger root, and 2 tablespoons of honey. We will let it cook for 35 to 40 minutes over medium heat. We seek, above all, that the kind of syrup that is made with all the ingredients. We must not forget that we have to stir from time to time. Once you have noticed that the preparation has become a little thick, then add the onion to reduce a little, and it'll be time to turn off the heat and cover the pot. We must let it sit and settle for about an hour so that the flavors and properties settle down. After the same time, we strain the entire content of this cooking only to keep the water obtained, which will surely give off a strong aroma. Now we will put this drink in a dark bottle, which will be kept in a cool place that does not get sun. Ideally, it should be kept at room temperature. It's said that to cleanse the lungs, you can take this preparation once in the morning, once in the afternoon, and once at night. It would be enough to serve you 2 tablespoons each time. The first tablespoon should be on an empty stomach just as you get up. You will see how good they feel, and even if you chop a little from the onion and ginger, don't worry, it'll relieve you. Remember that being a preparation with a high content of calories for honey, it is recommended that you keep moderation when consuming it. Avoid taking excessive amounts or consuming this preparation too often. As you see, these recipes are very easy to make, so I invite you to try it today. Did you like the video? Well, let me know in the comments and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this one. God bless you. Until next time.